All right, we got a brief little moment of sunshine and the rain stopped. Day 6. Give you guys a quick little update. Right now you can see everything's filling in pretty good. Got a little spot right up there that needs a little work. Up in here still kind of thin, but this is where we've had the low spot and all the water's been sitting. As you come around the corner, you'll see. But everything that doesn't have a lot of water standing in it, like up there, I've discovered that now. But I mean, for what was done to the turf, it's taken on a lot of water. I mean, much more water than it should have at this point. So definitely some spots I'm going to need to reseed once some of this water goes away.
We need to be concerned with. We do live in these areas and take tornado safety precautions. And a lot of the structures out here, a lot of the homes are the two-story homes, two-story wood or brick homes. Just need to get the lowest level. If you've got a basement, that's always the best place to be. Not everybody has a basement, so just get the lowest part of your home away from any windows. You see how quickly and how easily is the debris field over here is pretty extensive. This is a lot of lumber, a lot of timber over here. There's down branches, there's down trees, and as you can see back behind me, there's utter devastation. Take a look back behind me. This is a flooring company that used to be a warehouse, I'm told. You can see the fire department now going through and checking and inspecting that area, looking, I'm guessing, for folks. We do know, and we have confirmed with multiple sources by my colleague John Burkett, and also 2 different people that I spoke with who saw this person, that there's a confirmed fatality.
All right, so it is not even raining right now. And there is water running through the yard. It's still making a lot of noise. There's been at least 7 confirmed tornadoes in Richmond today, or in Central Virginia today. So today's been pretty devastating. This is the least of everybody's concerns. And it should be. I just find it interesting. That's how much water has fallen. They said we might get an inch or 2 over the next 2 days. This day isn't even over. We've had multiple inches. Still have tomorrow to go to. So needless to say, pretty much destroyed the whole front. Not Parkway Bend, the actual front. Hey, at least this side looks decent. Flooded my door. Came down here. You can see all the grass laying down from all the water. So, hope it didn't kill it. It's just starting to look good. Starting to rain again. Great. Can't wait. And here we are, day 9. This is the current situation. So this is the aftermath. Dry all day today. So, not as bad as it looked. You know, got a little spot up there. I've got that nice little green patch in the middle. And then this right here is the worst of it. And it's a couple inches deep. So, but gonna fix it this weekend. Starting Friday. Today is Wednesday. So all day sunny, all day tomorrow. Sunny all day tomorrow. And then Friday as well. Friday I have a half day of work, so I'm gonna get off work, come home, and get back to work. Fixing this thing up, getting it looking good. So, because I mean, it was coming along very, very well. I was very impressed. And the parts of the yard that didn't get flooded out still look fantastic. Here. Yeah, I mean, this still did get flooded some, but I mean, you can tell all right through in here, it all washed, and that's what actually went into my garage. But, you know, what was in the soil is still around, and the grass that was already there looks good, and it's long. So, but that's where we stand on it. So, like I said, gonna do some repairs to it. Got to go get a whole bunch of soil, come in, fill in the low spots, smooth everything back out, seed it, rake it back in, roll it flat, and then I'll probably give a top dress to the thinner spots in the yard. And then I'm gonna overseed everything. So, lots of updates coming. I actually gonna be doing that work Friday, so I'm gonna put another video out this weekend coming up showing all that work and showing you what it looks like repaired, so we can get back to looking beautiful again. Oh, look at the Mr. Bunny. Hello. So here's an update on the backyard. You can see right up through in here, it's like a river when it rains. So it followed all this, washed off, and then you can see where the grass is mashed down there by the trampoline. That's just where everything just washes out. But if you see all the white, that's the tenacity doing its thing, and it makes me really happy I put it in there. You can see it's hitting a lot of stuff. You can probably hear me walking, it's really soggy. But yeah, so this clover looks cool. It really does. But all of this grass is new. Which, I mean, it was coming in awesome. And it all got just mashed down by all the rain. So I hope it stands back up. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it too much and damage it. But yeah, it was doing good. Yeah, this is my first time being able to really come back here. Yeah. Never had grass back here, so this is the first. Man, it was really coming up too. So, backyard recovery. Now keep in mind, this is Mr. Alan Haynes' fall recovery program that I did back here. And I mean, yeah, lots of new grass. It was working well. This area right here had a good bit of washout, so I'm gonna need to redo it as well. But you can see right up against here where it was starting to come in pretty well. So look down in here in the bare spots, baby grass coming in. So the overseed's working, getting results. Thank you, Alan Hayne. Look him up if you haven't seen him. I don't know how you haven't seen a lawn care nut video. He has turf guides for both types, and they just give you the perfect guide to having a beautiful lawn. And they're 25 bucks, which is very affordable. They come in an ebook form, and he updates them all the time. So check it out. The man knows what he's talking about. He's the reason I'm doing this. He got me into this. Check back in a month, and I guarantee you see results. So subscribe for some updates. And this is a bucket that I've just had sitting out here since I seeded. This was left out here the day that I did all the work when they came and aerated, and then I seeded the backyard and did the front yard as well. Remember, that was a couple weeks ago. And look how much water is in there. So that's basically how many inches have fallen since I seeded. And that's just insane. That's a lot of water for a fresh yard to take. Alright guys, well that wraps it up for today. So Friday, getting back to work, making this thing look pretty again. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these updates. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.